Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another good question from the topic of simple interest and compound interest, and the question has been taken from the RBI Assistant exam 2023. Now the question is as follows: the simple interest accrued on a sum of certain principal in 8 years at the rate of 13% per year is 6,500. What would be the compound interest accrued on that principal at the rate of 8% per year in 2 years? So we are provided 5 options for this question. Option A 1040, option B 1020, option C 1060, option D 1200, and option E none of these. So this was our question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come back to the video for the solution. I hope that I've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check it. So according to our given question, it is given that the simple interest accrued on a sum of certain principal in 8 years at the rate of 13% per year is 6,500. What would be the compound interest accrued on that same principal at the rate of 8% per year in 2 years? So first we have to find the principal to find out the compound interest accrued. So what is the principal? Now we can use the formula of simple interest, that is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. Now, according to this question, we don't have the principal, but we have the rate and time. So, and we also have the simple interest accrued. So we can easily find out what is the principal. So principal is equal to simple interest into 100 by rate into time. So if we use this formula, we'll have 6,500 into 100 divided by 13, that is the rate, and tenure is 8 years. So divided by 8. Now, if you do this calculation, you will get the value of principal as 6250. So for our given question, the principal is 6250, and now we have to find out what is the compound interest accrued in 2 years. So the formula for compound interest is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power t minus principal. So this will give us what is the total compound interest accrued. So according to this, we have principal, that is equal to 6250 into 1 plus rate, that is 8 for compound interest, divided by 100 raised to power 2. So tenure is 2 years, so we'll raise it to the power 2 minus 6250. Now why are we doing minus 6250? Because this formula gives us the amount, and if we subtract the principal, we'll get the compound interest. So if we do the calculations, we'll get 6250 into 108 by 100 whole square minus 6250. Now if you calculate this value, it will come as 7290, and we just have to subtract 6250 to find out the compound interest, and that will be 1040. So that is option number A according to our given question. So 1040 will be the total compound interest accrued on the principal for 2 years at 8% per annum. So to solve this question, what we actually did was, we first calculated the principal by using the formula of simple interest. We rearranged it and we got that principal is equal to simple interest into 100 by r into t. Now from that we got the principal as 6250, and then we put it in the formula for finding out the compound interest. So that is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 raised to power t. So for that, we just had to put the values and calculate the compound interest, that is equal to 1040.